Have you ever wondered how we locate a place on the Earth? A question that might seem simple at first, but is packed with layers of geographical complexity. Today, delve into the fascinating world of coordinates and unravel the mystery of how we pinpoint a location on our planet. Firstly, imagine a belt tightly cinched around the middle of the Earth. This is the equator, an invisible line that divides our planet into two equal halves. It is the longest latitude line, measuring approximately 40,000 kilometers. The equator is unique because it is the only line of latitude that is a great circle, meaning it is the biggest circle that can be drawn on a sphere. Now visualize the Earth, cut into two by this imaginary belt. The half of the Earth that lies above the equator is known as the Northern Hemisphere, and the one below it is the Southern Hemisphere. These two halves are mirror images of each other in terms of climate and daylight patterns. But how do we navigate from east to west, you might ask? Well, that's where lines of longitude come into play. These are imaginary lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole, intersecting at both poles. The primary line of longitude is the prime meridian, which is arbitrarily defined to be 0 degrees. Lines of latitude, on the other hand, run parallel to the equator. They tell us how far north or south we are. The North Pole is at 90 degrees north, and the South Pole is at 90 degrees south. So now we know about the equator, hemispheres, longitude, and latitude. But how does all this help us find a location on Earth? Well, every point on Earth has a unique combination of latitude and longitude. This combination forms a set of coordinates that can pinpoint any location. For example, if you have a line of longitude and a line of latitude, where they cross is a specific point on the Earth. This is how we can find any location, from the Eiffel Tower in Paris to the pyramids in Egypt. To summarize, the equator is the imaginary belt that divides the Earth into two equal halves, the northern and southern hemispheres. Longitude lines run from the north to the South Pole, helping us navigate east and west, while latitude lines run parallel to the equator, assisting us in determining how far north or south we are. Together, these lines of longitude and latitude help us pinpoint any location on the Earth. So the next time you're looking at a map, remember that it's more than just lines and labels. It's a complex system of coordinates that helps us navigate and understand our remarkable planet. This is a journey that starts with a simple question and ends with a deeper understanding of the world we live in. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. Because the more we know about our world, the more we can appreciate its complexities and its wonders.